SEBA Answer 2026 to 2027. Class 10. Social Science, Geography. Economic Geography. Subject Matter and Resource. Question 19 to Question 20 Full Solutions 1 Short Video. 19. Write the differences between A. Resource and wealth. Answer. Resource. Wealth. 1. A resource is anything that has utility and can satisfy human needs. 1. Wealth is anything that has both utility and exchange value. 2. All resources may not have economic value. 2. Wealth always has economic value. 3. Resources can be natural, human, or man-made. 3. Wealth consists of valuable assets and goods. 4. Example, air, sunlight, water, forests. 4. Example, money, gold, buildings, vehicles. 5. The resource becomes wealth when it acquires value and ownership. 5. Wealth is a part of resources that has market value. B. Economic Geography and Resource Geography. Answer. Economic Geography. Resource Geography. 1. It is the branch of geography that studies all economic activities of human beings. 1. It is a branch of economic geography that studies resources and their utilization. 2. Its scope is very broad. 2. Its scope is comparatively narrow. 3. It deals with agriculture, industries, transport, trade, and services. 3. It mainly deals with the distribution, use, and conservation of resources. 4. It studies production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. 4. It studies natural and human-made resources and their management. 5. Example, study of industrial location, trade routes, and transport networks. 5. Example, study of forests, minerals, water resources, and their conservation. C. Resource and neutral stuff. Answer. Resource. Neutral stuff, neutral substance. 1. The resource is anything that has utility and value and can satisfy human needs. 1. A neutral substance is something that is neither useful nor harmful to human beings. 2. It contributes to human welfare and development. 2. It has no direct use or significance for humans. 3. Resources are utilized in economic activities. 3. Neutral substances are generally not used in economic activities. 4. A resource has utility for humans. 4. A neutral substance has no utility for humans. 5. Example, water, land, forests, minerals. 5. Example, a mineral or material whose usefulness is not yet known to humans. D. Biotic and abiotic resource. Answer. Biotic resources. Abiotic resources. 1. Biotic resources are obtained from living organisms. 1. Abiotic resources are obtained from non-living things. 2. They have life or are derived from living beings. 2. They do not have life. 3. They are generally renewable if properly managed. 3. They may be renewable or non-renewable. 4. They are essential for food and biological needs. 4. They provide physical materials and energy for human activities. 5. Examples, forests, animals, fish, crops, and human beings. 5. Examples, air, water, land, soil, minerals, and sunlight. E. Renewable and non-renewable resource. Answer. Renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. 1. These resources can be replenished or renewed naturally within a short period of time. 1. These resources cannot be replenished quickly once they are exhausted. 2. They are available continuously through natural processes. 2. They are limited in quantity and may get exhausted. 3. They are generally inexhaustible if used properly. 3. They are exhaustible resources. 4. They are more environment friendly. 4. Their excessive use may cause environmental problems. 5. Examples, solar energy, wind energy, water, forests. 5. Examples, coal, Petroleum, natural gas, minerals. F. Personal resource and national resource. Answer. Personal resource. National resource. 1. Personal resources are owned by an individual person. 1. National resources are owned collectively by the nation and controlled by the government. 2. They are used for the benefit of a particular individual or family. 2. They are used for the welfare and development of the entire country. 3. The owner has the right to use, sell, or transfer them. 3. The government manages and protects these resources for public interest. 4. Their scope is limited to personal use. 4. Their scope extends to national development and public welfare. 5. Examples: house, personal land, car, money, jewelry. 5 examples: forests, rivers, minerals, roads, railways, public buildings. J. Man-made resource and human resource. Answer. Man-made resource. Human resource. 1. Man-made resources are created by humans using natural resources and technology. 1. Human resources refer to the people and their skills, knowledge, and abilities. 2. They are non-living resources. 2. They are living resources. 3. They help in production and development. 3. They create, manage, and utilize other resources. 4. Their value depends on human use and maintenance. 4. Their value depends on education, health, training, and skills. 5 examples: roads, bridges, machines, buildings, dams. 5 examples: teachers, engineers, doctors, farmers, workers. H. Recycling of resource and innovation. Answer. Recycling of resource. Innovation. 1. Recycling is the process of collecting and reusing waste materials to make new products. 1. Innovation is the process of creating new ideas, methods, or technologies. 2. Its main aim is to reduce waste and conserve resources. 2. Its main aim is to improve efficiency and develop new solutions. 3. It involves reprocessing existing materials. 3. It involves discovering or inventing something new. 4. It helps in environmental protection and resource conservation. 4. It helps in economic development and better utilization of resources. 5 examples: recycling paper, plastic, glass, and metals. 5 examples: solar technology, modern irrigation systems, new machines. 20. Choose the correct answer. A. Which of the following is man-made resource? 1. Rivers. 2. Mineral oil. 3. Irrigation canal. 4. Forest. Answer. 3. Irrigation canal. B. Which one of the following is a biotic resource? 1. Air. 2. Plants. 3. Animals. 4. Fungus. Answer. 1. Air. C. Which one of the following is non-renewable resource? 1. Air. 2. Water. 3. Crops. 4. Coal. Answer. 4. Coal. D. Which one of the following animals is about to be extinct? 1. One-horned rhino. 2. Pygmy hog. 3. Giraffe. 4. Gail, mithun. Answer. 2. Pygmy hog. E. The organization IUCN is under which of the following organizations? 1. UNESCO. 2. UNO. 3. WWF. 4. UNEP. Answer. 2. UNO, United Nations Organization.